In this question, a police jeep is chasing a culprit going on a motorbike. The motorbike crosses a turning at a speed of 72 km per hour. The jeep follows it at a speed of 90 km per hour, crossing the turning 10 seconds later than the bike. Assuming that they travel at a constant speed, how far from the turning will the jeep catch up with the bike? So we first understand this question by a figure. So here, if you see the figure, this is the jeep and here is the motorbike. And this is the bridge. So initially, when the police jeep saw the on the motorbike, they started chasing. So after 10 seconds, jeep will reach to the bridge. But during that time, culprit will move away in that 10 seconds. First, we will find how much distance jeep has to cover from the starting point. And second, we have to find in that time how much distance the motorbike will cover. So in the first part, we will find the total distance covered by the jeep, and it is a uniform motion, so acceleration is not considered. So for jeep, in 10 seconds, distance is equal to speed into time. So here the speed of the police is 90 kilometer per hour. We can convert this to meter per second. So it is equal to 25 meter per second into 10. So it is 250 meter. So bridge was 250 meter away from the jeep. For motorbike, during 10 second, how much far it will go? So its speed is 72 kilometer per hour. If we convert meter per second, it will become 20 meter per second. Now we know that jeep speed is 25 meter per second and the bike speed is 20 meter per second, and the distance between these two is 200 meter, because after 10 second bike reaches 200 meter. So here we can use the relative motion concept. So velocity of the police with respect to culprit is equal to velocity of police minus velocity of the culprit, which is equal to 25 minus 20, 5 meter per second. How much distance is covered? 200 meter. So time taken is equal to 200 by 5, which is equal to 40 seconds. So the question says that find the total distance covered by the jeep to catch the bike. So we have total time taken. So for jeep, total distance covered is equal to 25 into 40 meter, which is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So this is the answer for this question.